Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest web design tips to make your projects shine. Today, we're diving into how to turn off Webflow branding in 2025. If you're a Webflow user, you know that the platform adds a subtle branding element to sites on free plans, like a small badge or link. But for a professional, polished look, you want that gone, right? Let's get into it step by step. First off, why bother turning it off? Webflow branding can detract from your brand's identity and make your site feel less custom. Plus, with Webflow's updates in 2025, the process is quicker than ever. To start, make sure you're logged into your Webflow account. Head over to your dashboard. It's the hub for all your projects. Step 1. Select the project you want to edit from your dashboard. Once inside, navigate to the Project Settings. You can usually find this in the top menu or sidebar. Look for a gear icon. Step 2. In the Project Settings, scroll down to the Site Settings, or Advanced Options section. Here, Webflow has streamlined things, so you should see a clear option labeled something like Webflow Branding, or Powered by Webflow. Step 3. Toggle the switch to turn off the branding. Keep in mind, this feature might require a paid plan in 2025, as Webflow reserves some customizations for pro users. If you're on the free tier, you may need to upgrade. It's often worth it for the added control. Step 4. After making the change, hit Save, and then Publish your site. Double-check your live site to ensure the branding is gone. Sometimes, it takes a refresh to fully apply. And there you have it. Your site is now free of Webflow's mark, giving you full creative reign. If you're new to Webflow, this is a game changer for building stunning, brand-focused websites. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.